Yo, I'm getting macaroni and cheese. I know that. And I want some more oxtails, yo. I'm sorry. Bird is born that look good, but you know what? Tell me how it tastes.
Oh, look at big booty.
Oh, watch out now. They think they're cute, y'all. Y'all, look at those turkey wings. Look at that sweet potato. Look at the macaroni and cheese. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're still in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, but we're here at Bed Stuy Fish Fry. Let's check it out. I'm hungry. I heard they got some nice buffet items. I heard they got some fried fish, some fried chicken. No, they got it all, man. We're gonna go in here and check it out. Let's go check it out. Yeah, this is the guy that's helping us right here, y'all. He just hooked us up. He's working hard. He's taking orders and making them. Yo, what a great experience we had in that store. And right now I'm about to go out here and check this food out right here on the car where it is born right here. Turkey wings, sweet potatoes, macaroni and cheese. Turkey wings, sweet potatoes, macaroni and cheese here in Crown Heights, Brooklyn at the Bed Stuy Fish Fry. Let's check it out. First thing I'm going for is these turkey wings right here. Y'all thought this was a game? Enough talk, like Badland Chug say. Oh my goodness! Look at this, y'all. That's good, yo. Look at that. Oh, that is really good. Too good. I ain't even going to the oxtails yet. Look at this. Y'all thought this was a game. Oh, that is so good, y'all. It's falling off. Look. It's falling off. My sister's over here talking, y'all. She don't understand. She thought this was a game. Look at that bone. We want the sweet potatoes, macaroni and cheese next. Let's check it out. Look at this. Look at that macaroni and cheese. See that right there? See that right there? Macaroni and cheese. Let's check it out. Bed Stuy Fish Fry. I'm doing the commercial for them right now. Don't need no salt, don't need no hot sauce, don't need no pepper. Let's do that again. Hold up. Hold up once again. Hold up. Bed Stuy Fish Fry. Oh my goodness. Y'all bugging. Y'all want people's cars and stuff, eat them? Oh. That's the best macaroni and cheese I've had in years. Look at this, man. Can you see it? Look at this, 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 look at this. They got the eggs, they got the cheddar cheese, they got the mild cheese and some other type of cheeses in here just perfectly seasoned. I'm smelling the sweet potatoes right now. Look at the sweet potatoes. Look, they got that nutmeg, they got that vanilla flavor, and they got that, I don't know what they got yet, I didn't really taste it. It just looked that way. That cinnamon. Let's check it out. Right there, right there, right there. They got that right there. Hold on, let's check it out. Ooh, and it tastes buttery and sweet. Oh. Norma, you want to taste the wing? Let's let Norma taste the wing, y'all. We're going to let my sister taste the wing. Norma got a joint in her hand, a bunch of bags. Norma, you can't taste the wings. Sit down. No, take your time. We about to go into the oxtails. We going to the oxtails, yeah? Oh, that joker hot on the hand. That joker, it's hot on the hand, y'all. Bed Stuy. All right, I'm done with the Bed Stuy Fish Fry stuff. Okay, that's enough for bigging them up. Look at these oxtails, y'all. And the juice on them, right? Look at that. Hold on, let me turn y'all up a little bit. Look at this. See that right there? I don't want to spill the juice out. Look at that, y'all. Look at them oxtails right there. Ooh, ooh. Those oxtails look delectable, delightful. You want to try a wing? Yes. Norma tasting the tip. There she goes. She just got the tip. Let's check it out right there. Let's check her out. Let's check it out. What you think?
Oh my God.
I thought she was gonna be like, Bed Stuy Fish Fry. I thought to drop the mic, y'all.
And I don't even eat tips.
You don't even eat tips?
This is
Is
good.
it tasty? Is it seasoned just right? Is it soft? Is it tender? What?
Yes.
She said yes on all of that.
All that.
Yes, hold up. I'm sorry, I'm back. Hold up. I'm back. Why y'all be getting sidetracked? Is it good? It's worth it? Okay. Don't try to put that back in my plate. You done. Just throw that on the ground. I ain't playing. I'm here at Bed Stuy Fish Fry. Here we go, y'all. Norma think people talking to her. I don't know why she be like, huh? I'm eating a little more of this right here. And then we going straight for the oxtails.
Look at Yo-Yo Chicken. Ain't got no business.
Oh my goodness. Oh look, Norma's still over there sucking on the bone. Watch your mouth. Oh wow, y'all.
How do you okay?
I said I was going to the oxtails, but this right here, Norma, you gotta do your own stuff. I'm shooting a film. That's it, y'all. Oh wow. Oxtails next. Got these oxtails here. Oxtails. Oh y'all, I'm gonna just eat this, then we're gonna be going. Once we leave here, we're going to New Jersey, y'all. We're gonna do a comparison. Brooklyn, New Jersey, Brooklyn, New Jersey. Boom. Boom. Okay. Okay. They're nice and tender and seasoned just right. I like the oxtail better than Queens, but these are really good. Yeah, these are really good. Tender. Got the little fat on it. I like the fat. Got me humming. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but you're with the right cat now. Signing off from Brooklyn, New York. I love you, cats. Peace. Look at my nephew, y'all. Y'all never seen him. He's about 8 feet tall. He weighs about 450 pounds. He's a refrigerator. I remember he was short, y'all. Look how tall he is. Hold up. Look how tall he is. He's a whole head and a neck taller than me. Look at that. Look, the lady was saying that she got beef for her stuff, but I think our mom's was right on point, y'all. Where's my receipt? It's in the bag somewhere. I put it in my pocket. Now Norma complaining. She didn't have to wait. She didn't have to wait. The word is born that look good, but you know what? Tell me how it tastes.
Delicious.
It's delicious, right? The oxtails was good? What'd you eat so far?
So far, I ate the mac and cheese.
The mac and cheese is the bomb!
And the collard greens.
And the collard greens.
Delicious.
I wanted to get the collard greens, y'all.
I
compared the oxtails to the ones we had earlier. I thought the ones we had earlier was more delicious. but the turkey wings was the bomb.
Delicious.
They are really good. I had some earlier though. I thought they were better. I like the fatty parts of the oxtail.
Delicious.
Yeah, man. Yeah. We got Norma.
Look at y'all. Oh, look at big booties.
Oh, watch out now. Watch out. Models. Oh my goodness.
Are they models?
Oh, can I videotape the back? Hold up. The back? They think they're cute, y'all. They think, Billy, you better look that way. You better look that. I don't care who.
I look at all that.
You better look. That's right. Long as you don't say nothing to him. Hold up. Long as he don't touch him, right? She's cute. Your girlfriend cute too. Look at her eyebrows. Look at my eyebrows. I need some. See, your girl got eyebrows, so you better back the up. I didn't cuss, y'all. I didn't cuss. Norma just here rocking. Ain't no music playing. We gotta get an Uber home, Norma.
No, we not. We getting right in here.
We gonna get in the back? We can fit in the back, y'all?
What I say?
You can't be driving fast like last night,
Oh,
okay?
man. I was
Alright.
not driving fast last night.
All right. Okay.
Oh, man.
Well, y'all need to wrap your food up.
We ready to go, but we can eat.
Oh, Norma be getting frustrated, y'all. She's a frustrated black woman. She said, "Come on, cause we ready." They down south somewhere.
No, Billy lied. Don't believe it.
Now I'm Billy. See how she be confusing my name, y'all? My name is Matt. Y'all know that, Matt DV. Hold up, I'm about to go across the street and talk to this girl. How you doing?